Wait until she reach out to sir. Hello. Introduce. Jesus.
God Almighty.
Father!
Your name why you pop the balloon?
I don't like that top the way you wear. No, go bust your hairstyle still, but you could have spent a little more time on it. I kind of look trashy.
I don't know what she was thinking when she wear this outfit, because it just give a butter years mentality, to be honest, like a hooker vibe.
You have Iggy on your neck.
Okay, and?
And you're in a relationship.
No, I'm not.
You are. So how you reach this up?
So if you know a relationship and keep it on my neck, be honest.
Novo Pandora.
It's a ballon! It's a pop balloon I find love!
We're gonna capture a visual. Come on, bro. Bless up. It's the next part the balloon I find love. Mandeville. Una ready?
Yes!
Yo. With their Mandeville people. You see it? It's cool Mandeville, okay? And the man them there, the general them there, you don't know it's simple and easy, right? If a female walk out and you don't like her based on how she look, you pop the balloon, okay? If you like her and you dig her, you just want to relax with her like cool Mandeville, you just keep your balloon. It's simple, okay? Yeah. My G, Mandeville female them, uno stush. Eh? Yo, we send out the flyer and the girl them, now want to link up. So on shy, but big up Mandeville, on the don't know, Motor Source. Big bad sponsor, man. If you watch out the video, they might give you one free earpod. Yo, catch your shoes. One shoes factory, no man, do it. Follow them on Instagram. Got it night, chips. Banana chip. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, Maji, we are bringing the first female. Them say Mandeville have the prettiest girl in a Jamaica. That them say, So today, make me know what you think about the lineup, okay? Be honest. How the general them come out? What the general them come out? All them come out clean? Clean. All right, fresh. All right, watch you now. We're bringing the first female. Hold on. Wait until she reach out to sir. Whoa. She not introduce herself. What? Introduce herself, please.
My name is Beyonce.
Beyonce. Whoa, all right. Beyonce, what type of work you do?
I'm an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur, that's awesome. What's your type, though?
Well, my type is someone that is very hardworking. And loving.
That's awesome. That's good. All right, so if you were to go on a date with one of these match, what's a perfect date for you, though?
Well, the perfect date will be taking me to dinner.
Dinner, all right.
And, after that, cuddling.
Cuddle? After dinner, cuddle? That's so bad. All right. So
I'm a lover girl.
Yeah, a lover girl. All right, so we got some pops. Which side you want to start with? You want to start with the end? All right, let's go. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
6K. What's your say your name is Beyonce?
Yeah, Beyonce.
Go be real with your Beyonce. The outfit where you wear, I don't really like the outfit here. I don't like the outfit. My hairstyle, Beyonce. Could I spend a little bit more time? Look a bit more time. And you're too thick. You're too thick. Like, if me if you argue like a person could have kicked me down on them thing there, see me? So you're too thick for me. And can turn on Beyonce? Or you don't want to do that for me?
No.
You don't want to turn on for me?
No. No. No.
Just one look at 360.
No.
And my last problem, Beyonce. Look from your head to your toe. From your head to your toe. And I left that alone, Beyonce. So that is my problem.
Alright, so how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
From 1 to 10, to be honest, I would have give you a 2. 2. 2 me that I give you. I am the man. You're the woman. If I tell you to do something, you must do it. Me are the man. So there, so now you give me a look of boss energy. Like you're more better than me. So me I give you a 2. Yes.
You like dominate.
Huh?
You like dominate.
I like to take control. Yes, I'm the man. God create man before he create the woman.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, so what do you think about him?
Well, you're looking alright, but you look like you're not mature enough for me. I'm looking for somebody who's mature, and you don't look mature. The way you speak, you'd know that I'm a person. Well, if you had the time to know me, you'd know that I'm a person who's very submissive. Looks can be deceiving.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're missing out. Sorry. You're bad. Not mine.
So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Well, I will give you a 5
5. Why 5?
because of the way he speaks. Otherwise, you are well.
So how I speak? How I speak?
Well, what you said about me.
No, I'm just keeping it real.
No problem, but that's all I rate you from the way you speak.
5?
Yes, sir.
Not
I get a 5, my G.
5?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, you good with that?
No, I'm not good with that. These are better than 5.
I'll give you a 3 then. I close my case right there. If you're not okay with 5, I'll give you a 3.
We're gonna move on, alright? Ready?
Yes.
Booping at them and looking at them, I don't know say faith and strong man. You see me? Yeah, man. 6K TV on Instagram, 6K TV on TikTok, 6K TV on YouTube. I don't know other side, faith and strong mind, not bad mind.
Your name, I pop the balloon?
1 Cubans. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie. I like her style. She's nice. She's nice, you know what I mean? But I just think me thick and she thick. You know? She am a regular type. Yeah, so me I try find something when I'm a regular type. You understand? But you're nice. Me get her. Can I see around about there, please? Please? No?
No.
Me I give her 9, see, but it's like you not show me around about me. Nah, see what going around this. So I give her 7. You're nice, though.
7 because you want to see run about.
Yeah, so if she give me that, should I get a 9, solid. But
So when you walk in, you never see nothing?
me never did a look. You understand? She hot, no, she hot. Give her 8. Final answer. 8.
Final, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, she bougie.
Bougie.
Yeah.
Mandeville thought that.
Yeah, she bougie.
What do you think about him?
Well, you're nice. Well, I take you by what you said. I'm your regular type.
Yeah.
So you would not be my type. I'm looking for somebody who is like for me and me only. So
Yeah,
if I'm your regular type, means that you're a player. So sorry. But I do give you a 9 though.
No, I'm a pimp, not a player, sorry.
Okay, no problem,
Yeah.
Pim.
That is it. Cool.
I give you a 9.
9.
Yeah, thank you.
No
Alright.
problem.
We're not a scare, man. You know, 1 Cubans 876, man. You know, I think of follow me on TikTok, Cubans 876, Instagram, Cubans 876. You're right.
Hold on. 6. I gotta make you walk with grace, you know. 6 walk with grace. Alright, your name, why you pop the balloon?
Swiss and initially I go Papa as she come in because as me say, I like slim as but she look nice. The outfit. Wrong with him, but me like my girl can a bit more covered.
Okay.
Is me, but for your hairstyle, cause you the thick and sexy and thing and the toes. Me's a footman. Yes, me play football and my toe them horrible.
Okay.
So not saying hers is whatever, but
Okay.
I like pretty toe, white toenail and yes, me so.
Like toes.
Yeah. I like say when a toe well done. Yes, me. But she nice thing. I like how she articulate herself.
Much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
6.5.
6.5.
Yeah.
Alright. What you think about him?
Got her face cute.
He's okay. Thank you very much.
Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him though?
I give him a 6.
6.
Yeah.
Alright.
That good man. Watching man for device now say Susie, you know say you can find me on Instagram as Susie Official. And now say me say she want play liquor run. So me watching her outside.
Alright. Come to this side. Alright. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
1 kill quick funny TikTok, you know. But if you know what is, me can hesitate before me pop the balloon. You know, but me like say she does natural overall, differently. She not have no nails and she not have all of that. You see, so that's not a problem.
Okay.
I admire that in a sense.
Alright.
Yeah, me like how she natural, but me don't like how she just. Cause remember we are road man, you know, and a quickie we deal with, you know. You see me, so me no like the outfit. That look like just a quick push in and take out. Me not tell no lie. But no problem. Me just assume. That's what I'm saying. You see, me no like the outfit. You have to cover it when you're raised, isn't it?
That's okay.
Yeah. That's the only problem. Nice, I like her. She good.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I get 1 8. Yeah.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, man.
And what you think about him? Based on him appearance?
I'm gonna give him a 7.
7.
Yeah.
Is there something you like about him?
Well, normally, guys, it's just because I'm just nice and
Just nice.
just
Respect,
nice.
man.
Alright.
Yeah. Yo, you know a code, you know. 1 kill quick pan the TikTok. You see me? Big up roll them.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, one fit factor. Well, I don't know what she was thinking when she wear this outfit, you know, because it just give a butter years mentality, to be honest. Like a hooker vibes, like any man can just drive up and just get her easy. And me, she mentioned something like, she said after date, like cuddle or something. So it just give easy vibes.
Could you repeat that?
Me hear you mention something about cuddle like after date. Something, so it give her easy vibes. And to me, you just look easy. You don't put yourself together like it just messy. I'm not gonna lie. But I figure out too. It's bad. Terrible.
Okay.
So you give her 2 out of 10?
Yeah, 2. Yeah. Not gonna lie.
But may I ask you my question?
You can ask him a question.
Alright, so from you know, my question to you is, but you wouldn't look at a girl like me if you were on the street, even if you did have a personal woman.
No, mood look for you.
Well, I don't believe you.
No, mood look
And
for you.
for me,
Why me that look for you?
hold on, for me, for once, men like you don't talk girls that wear things like these, but yet still you're behind closed door or behind people back, you still look way.
Oh, them still look you
Yeah.
like, oh, so, yeah, so them kind of bash girl, well, dressed
Yeah.
like this, but
But-
still looking on, lock down and cheat.
Right. However, it is your opinion, no problem. And I'm a well-kept person. I'm not an easy person to get, sorry.
So why you just easy?
Because this is what I'm comfortable in.
You're comfortable in this right now?
Yes, coming to Raleigh show.
Okay.
Alright. How much did I rate him?
3.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Take it 3. Yeah.
3.
Yeah. Go on. Boop. Don't know say boy fit fucked up on TikTok. One and only. So just there do the support. You see it? Fully.
Alright.
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, you know, $1 bill see me. Reason why I pop the balloon first of all. I can ask you one question first.
Sure.
You say you're an entrepreneur. Which entrepreneur? What you do for your
Basically, I'm a hairstylist.
stylist?
Yes.
It's just that the way she put herself together, bro, and like me like tours, you get me is a tour person, so
You like tour?
yeah, bro. Me like tour.
You like colors and them thing there.
No. Bro, me like tour like
Hold on.
No, I understand. It's okay. You don't have to emphasize on it. I understand what you're trying to say. That's okay.
That's
Not
it.
everybody gonna be perfect.
that's it.
Okay. So,
Okay.
can I ask you a question? Then?
Yeah, do it.
Can I ask you a question? What if my toe is really not perfect, but yet still I am loyal?
Alright,
Wouldn't
what
like a loyal
alright.
person because
The point
hold
is,
on, me not finish.
me like
Hold on, me not finish it.
alright.
What if the person that you got, right? You come to find a match and you got somebody who has a perfect toe, but their personality and their character is very dirty.
Alright. And I really that is just that even if you have a pretty toe and your character dirty, me can work with you.
So the toe is the big problem.
Yeah, the toe is because I'm an image person. Me like because you know me like when girl clean and thing because me is a
So
person.
I am clean.
Yeah,
I'm very clean.
You're clean, me understand. But it's just the toes
Okay.
and the way you dress.
Okay.
That's
That's okay with me.
yeah. But otherwise, he's a nice girl same way.
Okay.
You rate her how much?
Me give her like 5.
5. Alright. What you think about him? Based on him appearance, how much you rate him?
Well, your appearance is okay. I'll give you a 6.
6. Alright. Alright.
Yeah, I don't know a $1 bill man. On the Instagram, a dollar bill official same way. I don't know anything.
Alright, my G. Your name? Why pop the balloon?
I want 6, you know. Reason put the balloon is she says she like somebody with hardworking, right? So me feel out hardworking and you just like this come up. No. Just no. And then your toe. What to?
Okay then.
Yeah. 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 Basically that. The rest of them say everything still, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much you rate her from 1 to 10?
If she didn't have clothes more than gear.
You sure?
If she was in clothes.
Come on, bro. She in her clothes.
Alright. Good, better clothes. When I get like 1.7, but the clothes turn me off, bro. Like 1.3.
You get a 3?
Yeah.
Can I ask you one question?
Alright.
Okay. So basically, you said about hardworking, you being hardworking. If you were hardworking and I'm dressing like this, I'll be only dressing like this for you. I am single. That's the fact. So if you are my man and my man said, look here, my man not even have to tell me, so look here, don't just like this because I know how to just modest. I just come and really sure to just like this.
No, but people see you like that. No.
Sure,
Them
I'm
see
single,
you.
so
Yeah, but
I'm dressing like this. I don't
me
have
and
a
you,
man.
Me and you. Say
If I had a man,
listen to me. If me and you figure be the match now, we go to road, we go walk and say, like the girl that didn't have the black skin thing there. Yeah, man. No.
okay then.
First impression last.
No problem with that.
So yeah, so like you have to stand like a girl represent you.
Yeah.
Alright, I understand.
Yeah, I understand.
You rate him already? Give him ratings?
Not really.
How much did I rate him?
Much will I rate him? 1.
1?
Yeah.
1 out of 10?
Yeah.
I want 6 still, you know, so me go to the 1.
You good with the 1?
Me take it.
1 out of 10.
Yeah, because I'm coming.
Okay. Alright.
You know, if you are 1.6, I'm here, man, there upon Rolly Show. Instagram _1.6, TikTok 1.6.
So every male pop them balloon, walk with girls for me now. Alright. So we have one male that never popped the balloon. Alright. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna ask you a question based on your answer. We're gonna see if it's a match or not, okay?
Okay.
Alright, your question fire.
Yeah, man, I like her because she look hard working, you know. Yeah.
Alright, so what's the question? Forget to know her.
All I want to know what's your name, you know. What is your name?
Beyonce.
Okay, my name is Shawty, yeah. I just see me. Still, yeah.
What you can call her Shawty.
Yeah, man, no problem with that, yeah.
Alright, sure.
Yeah,
Alright, so that's the only question for get to know her, Shawty?
No, me give me my 8 still, you know.
Yeah, 8 out of 10.
Yeah, man, out of 10, you know. Yes, sir.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah.
Alright, so your question forget for know him, because him not asking an intense question.
Okay, I have 2 questions for him. That's okay?
Yeah.
Alright. So my first question for you is what do you do for a living?
Oh, I do landscaping, you know. Yeah, plant land.
Repeat that?
I plant land, I do landscaping.
Okay.
Yeah.
My next question, do you have kids?
Yeah, 2.
Okay. So you and your baby mother them having any trouble?
Oh, so no trouble, you know. I always pay my part, you know.
You're single?
Yeah, I'm single right now, be honest with you, you know. Single right now.
Okay.
Alright. That's
Can you lift me up?
Yeah, man. You want me to do it right here?
we can get a lift up? Lift up, 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 lift up. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Fire say more lift you up.
I know, you know, because I don't have the energy there, you know, but I can lift her up, you know.
You can lift her up.
Yeah, man, but I don't have the energy, you know, still.
I have another question for you.
Yeah.
Where you see yourself 5 years from now?
Huh?
Where you see yourself 5 years from now?
What you say?
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
See my son?
Where do you see yourself?
Oh, 5 years, you know. But I just see myself article, you know, I know, say me is a man, you know. Yeah. You see it? Big man thing. You see, I see myself now.
What?
This
Alright.
is a man
So to
live.
rephrase the question, what's your long-term goals?
Oh.
5 years from now, or your short-term goals?
Oh, my 5 years from now would be 54. 5 years from now. How do you mean?
Your long-term goals or your short-term goals? Where do you see yourself?
I see myself as man, baby. Did I tell you that? You don't understand what you say to me. You say this and you say that. You see myself.
She asks you like,
Yeah.
based on what you don't know. 5 years from now,
Yeah.
where would you see yourself? Like, where that reach in a life?
Oh, okay, 5 years from now, I would be landlord, you know, collecting rent from people. Yeah. If it's that you want, yeah, because I'm depend on that program right now. Yeah, honestly.
Yeah. All right. So, I want to find out, is this a match?
No.
Huh?
No.
No? Pop it.
Sorry.
You give my 8 said, you know.
All right, then. You have to go walk with Grace here. Fire. Walk with Grace here. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Watching the people, wanting to leave a like. Remember to watch out the full video for win a free AirPod from Motorsource, okay? Who win the 5,000 last week? You're rich. You're rich. Hey, they have money now. Yo, we are sending the next female. You ready? Ready. You ready? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. All right, then. Watch them and don't sleep on my hand, please. Come into the side, eh?
Hi,
All right, introduce yourself.
I'm Khadija Smith. I'm also a hookah host. Yes, so we provide hookers at any event or parties, anything. Yeah, so you can follow the hookah page at Puff It Up Hookah.
What?
Yeah.
What type of man you like? What's your type? What's your type? Yeah, what type of man you like? Mama here, put the mic.
I like any type.
Any type? Oh, yeah. Okay. Jesus, Father. All right. All right, so we get some pop. So we're going to find out why them pop the balloon, all right? Yeah. I start right, sir? All right. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
I 1'6", and the reason I put my balloon is you don't know where you are. You don't have a type. That's what you don't. You go for anything.
But I never let me finish. Man have personality.
No,
right?
but you take too long for answer.
No, cause you're too quick. And that's with you now. You have to build. Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about her appearance? How much you rate it from 1 to 10?
7.
7.
Yeah.
What you like about her?
Her color was she.
Her color you like green.
Pink most of all.
Pink and green.
Yeah, go together. She go together.
Alright. What do you think about him?
I'm alright.
Alright. How much you rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 7 too.
7. Why 7?
Cause him fit feet
Him fit feet.
for the 7.
Oh, fit for the 7. Oh, I phone thought that down here. Okay. Alright. Hold on, we'll come to the side. I just use up the mic here.
Okay.
Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, you don't know a $1 bill. Reason why I pop the balloon, she nice and everything, and I come like her appearance. But the part where she says she not have a type, you know, me did a look for she like an ambitious man or a man where like things are like business minded or so. I just that really, you know.
Alright, how much what you think about her appearance?
I give her a 8.
8.
Yeah. She look nice, you know.
Look nice.
She look nice, man. I really like it.
Alright, so what you think about him?
Him nice too.
How much you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
You gotta give him a 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
Yeah?
That is it.
That is it, my G. Alright. This side. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Well, you know, say she does seem out of my league though, and she does seem kind of controlling still. So, I not really too like girl controlling. So, I know, not my cup of tea.
She seem controlling?
Yeah, controlling. Yeah. So, but she look, me like her outfit and all. So, me that give her 8 still. She looks solid.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, 8.
So, you know if them look controlling? Are you controlling?
She seem controlling.
In some ways, depend on, you know, some. You have other ways you can control, you know.
Like what?
You know the other half here, you
You know?
Me don't know what she talk about still. But, yeah, she seem controlling though.
Alright. What you think about him? How much you rate him from 1 to 10?
I'm gonna give him a 7.
Why 7?
Because I'm kind of taller than him, but him look alright, you know. But I'm
Taller than him, that's it.
Yeah, well, yeah, no problem. Yeah.
No problem.
No problem.
Yeah. Alright. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Active me J, no 1 kill quick on the TikTok. The reason I put the balloon still, you know. Alright, differently, first of all, yeah, she not look bad. She look alright. I'm like girls in her glasses or whatever. Yeah, so she look alright. But when she say any type that sound like we can underestimate a youth and him see him and just kick on my foot. Whoops! You understand? So you know look bad. Yeah, right. Like you want 8. Like you want 8. Nothing wrong with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. So are you would I just come kick with your foot random man?
Yeah, right.
Like who?
No, like
who would I then line up and you say you would I kick with your foot?
no, me nah picture no man in my head still, you know.
Oh.
But you know, a random stranger.
Like sharp man?
No, don't say a man. Can't do sharp man, that man. But a random person when I say, alright, him not qualify if he get my girl then. But when I look, him a kick on my foot and told me not idiot.
Oh, I understand.
So no say a man. You have to choose.
That, man.
Alright, what you think about him?
Yeah.
How much should I rate him?
But I give him a 8.
8 out of 10. Why you give him an 8? What you like about him? Use the mic.
Him look cute.
8. Me have to say everything correspond. 8 to 8, man.
Yeah? Alright, come down to this side. Alright, your name, IG, why you pop the balloon?
Swizz, and initially because my preference are slimmers, but she look good. Definitely. I like the glasses. Can I give you a look? I'm not gonna say the word, but I like the glasses and I like the fit. But I prefer slimmers. But
Slimmers.
Yes,
So she not slim?
I like them maga man.
Eh?
Maga. I like them maga.
You like them maga?
Yeah, man. It's with a local piece of body. Some local tops, isn't it?
So she not all that.
No, man, she thick and nice, man. She nice. Don't get me wrong, she nice, man. But, and also, she not a type, so.
That show you up.
Afterwards, boy, she nice.
What do you think about him? How much you rate him from 1 to 10?
1 8.
8.
I give her a 7 still.
I guess so.
Yeah, man, she nice.
Alright. My G, your name why you pop the balloon?
1 Cubans. You know why me pop the balloon? Your name Simit and my name Simit. Oh shit. It's my cousin. Jesus.
I forgot. Actually, in
Far,
a glasses,
my third cousin from my auntie picking them over so.
I never realized that you know. At the glasses.
Glasses, see there?
Are you man?
Simit. Simit. Cousin, brother.
Two and a cousin?
She know the good thing. You understand? Can't boil a soup thing, then no. Can't. You understand? But she clean. Yeah, me say no. Mama clean in the car. I like the swag.
Your cousin clean?
Yeah, my cousin clean. Oh, you mean if me can't tell my cousin say she clean? She clean. Yeah. I look a pink and I look a army type shit. And, you know? Yeah. She clean. Yeah. But I get for rate her to the.
How much you rate her?
Solid 10 to car. You know what? Oh, see that?
Yeah, look.
See, no, look, father. Yeah,
You just say, oh.
She is black out that.
Okay, true.
Yeah, she is black out that. But she nice.
Yeah.
God know. Cause big up yourself.
What do you think about your cousin?
Yeah, I get a 10 too, you know.
You get 10? Cousin 10?
Clean.
Yeah, him look good.
Yes. What you like about your cousin?
Him can dress and bring himself.
That
him
is
hot.
it. That That is it.
Alright. Come to this side. Your name why you pop the balloon?
6K TV. Oh, only but thing me have, I'm pop the balloon still. You know, first thing foremost, you go on like, you give me a boss energy. And next thing, I don't like the top the way you wear. I don't like the belly skin, I come show up like, you know. Yeah, the belly skin when you wear, I don't like it. And you know, now go bash your hairstyle still, but you could have spent a little more time on it. You know, look a bit more time, because you kind of look trashy.
The breeze.
No breeze.
Yeah, breeze, more walk. When I walk and come here.
But you know, that's really my problem. She too bossy, you're too taller than me too. When me and you kiss, I don't feel look up in your face.
I can't stoop down.
She
No, when you stoop down, you feel only stoop down to one place, if you understand. When you feel stoop, you don't feel stoop down for kiss me. And one thing you feel stoop down for.
Why? You can't tip. You have one
No.
So,
I'm going to give you one cheer.
Wait.
What you say she give me?
A chair.
She give a chair for each her. How much you
You
rate?
go probably go want it on the back eyes.
Much me that give her?
Yeah, how much you give her from 1 to 10?
No, I'm exaggerating about it, you know. I give her a 5.
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. You know? Yeah.
No problem. Alright, what do you think about that? What do you think about what I'm to say?
But me?
Yeah.
I feel him says, you know. I'm not bash him on that. What him think.
Alright, what do you think about him? Ratings from 1 to 10. How much you rate him?
1, 2.
Would I rate him a 2?
Yeah.
What you not like about him?
The way him go on and attack and them something there. Not what him say about me, but like what him have to say it never really makes sense.
What you mean it don't make sense? Me I tell you like, you feel me? I tell us my preference. Like the belly skin, you're too bossy. I mean I say you could have spent a
But
little
that's the
time.
bossy part of the
You're full of too much attitude now, man. You look toxic now. You sound toxic now, yo.
Okay.
You see me? You sound toxic now. Because you give me be a toxic energy then now.
Okay. Alright.
That is it.
Come to the side. No, don't turn it back here. Yeah. Alright. So the man them we pop the balloon. Walk with grace from now. Alright, come to the side, my G. Stand up right here, Alright. Alright, so we have your name?
Albert, see you.
We have Albert right here, so whenever I get for popping balloon. So, Albert, what more you do? You gotta ask her a question, based on her answer, you gotta see if this is a match hour, yeah? What the question?
Yeah, man, where my officer, my king say where my officer, you know, my father.
No, what the question? Ask her a question. Forget for know her.
Okay, yeah, what's your name?
Khadija.
Oh, my name is Albert, you know.
Yeah.
Me like you still, you know, because me like girl, we put themselves together, and I really that still me like your passion, your culture, you know, your voice, you know.
Yeah, man.
Honestly. Yeah, I mean, know your work, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
man, I know you do things after your own, you know.
That's true.
Alright, so ask him a question and we'll see if it's a match or not.
I'm gonna ask him.
Any question, forget for know him. Anything you want to know.
Say what you like to do.
Oh, no, me do landscape still, you know, me plant land, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my trade, you know.
So you make money when you do that?
Yeah, man, I make money when me satisfied with what me make, you know.
Like whole heap of money?
Yeah, man, money will mind me and mind you, you know.
Whole heap?
Either what? Is it?
Money will mind me and mind her, you know. Yeah.
Oh. So you would mind me?
Yeah, man, if you're truthful, you know. Because I want somebody who is truthful, you know.
Okay.
Honestly.
Truthful, that good?
Yeah, I'm truthful.
So how much should I rate her though?
Judge, I know seminar balance here, just by ratings at 10, say you.
10?
Yeah, man, 10.10.
What do you think, boy?
Trim personality, I would give him a 10 too.
10?
Because him nice.
You give him a 10?
I'm not really too judge on looks, you know, but if
Yeah,
him
just say it stays
nice,
still,
him
huh?
nice.
Nice.
A good personality.
You like that?
Him deserve a 10.
Alright, so I want to find out, right? You will never pop your balloon, right?
Oh, no, I never pop my balloon. Because I don't see where to pop my balloon for that.
Alright. Is he a match? Would you pop the balloon or you gonna keep him? Is he a match?
Come like say if me ever go do something, you are gonna need the chair.
No, I'm not going no chair. If I call bull, you just lie down. When they see where the bull have, you will make me serve you.
I'm not like to lie down.
Huh?
I can't bother with the lie down bit.
You can't come off of the bed, man.
And go up on the ground.
No, you know, tip on the assault, you don't know them style. Yeah, man, broke over.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
And do the doggy style.
Yeah, man. You just want to know you in there, you know?
Oh, you just want to know you find it.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah, ask a question. So, Mama know, is this a match?
For who, me and him?
For you. Is he a match?
I have one friend who short like you. You would want her?
Huh? Yeah, man. What's your name?
Amanda.
Amanda. Yeah, man. Let me see her, you know?
So, is there no match?
No match.
Alright, so you have to go pop in balloon. Give me this. No, she have to pop it, yeah?
Yeah, man. So it's there, no?
Alright.
Okay.
Walk with grace here, Muji. Alright, so you never get a match today? You know what you have to do, right?
Wow. What that?
Walk with grace. Yeah? Big up here?
Yeah, man. Same to you.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Watch you know. This are the prize time. On behalf of Motorsource, the question is, where was Motorsource first located? Let me know. Like the first location, which part them located, then move now, you know. So the first location is not hard. No Google search. Me know, hey, free earpod, yeah? You, don't cheat it. Send in the next female for me now. Alright. Wait until she reach her side here. Come to the side here. Come. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Carly. I'm 23 years old.
Yeah.
I'm an entrepreneur. I do micro shading brows, and I'm also a barber. Oh, I also do lashes. So if y'all need any good haircuts, hit me up. And for the brows, hit me up.
Okay, alright, that's awesome.
I said I'm 23.
Yeah, you said that. Alright. So what's your type though?
Okay, so I like a tall guy that like have a little body. I like a guy that's very honest.
Yeah.
And oh yeah. I like an honest guy and a guy that's very like business minded.
Okay.
I also like a guy that's very family orientated, like spending time with your family.
Yeah.
And I also like guys that are into like investments and stuff like
Or
that.
like,
Like
or
trading and
heading for
stuff.
somewhere. Okay, no problem. I'm not somebody. You show to the social.
Okay, guys. So if you guys don't know my TikTok already, it's barbergirl21, and for my Instagram, it's Carly_barbergirl.
Alright. So we just got some pops. Your choice. Would you like to start? No, just start. Them get some. You get some pops. So wanna start here?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, come. Alright, G. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
1-6 reason put the balloon. You say you like honest, me a liar.
That's fine.
Me be truthful, me a liar.
I mean, I'll accept it. If you say you're lied and I know you're lied, I'll accept it because at least you tell me that, you know.
Yeah,
you're
you say
lied.
something about investment and thing. Me spend like me not have.
Well, you'll need somebody that's into investments so they could help you monitor your money so you don't waste it, right? Yeah. Is this fine?
Alright.
So
So that's why.
Yeah.
Because you're a liar.
Yeah, man.
You're a spender.
Yeah.
You know, waste our time.
No.
Alright, so how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
She nice team. I give her a 9.
9 out of 10.
Yeah. Her makeup look good.
My eyebrow, my eyelash. I don't have a makeup.
Yeah, lashes.
Yeah.
And her dimples, them, you know.
Her dimples.
Yeah.
Alright, what do you think about him?
He looks nice. I'd give him 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's alright.
That alright?
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, no problem. We'll go down the line. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Alright, one fit factor. Well, she said she not like short guys, you know. And me might have look a body, but me can't measure up for the height part still. So better she just go on, you know. So basically like that, cause she look very good. She business minded, which me like. So yeah, me that give her a 9 still. Yeah, she look nice.
Thank you.
Alright, 9 out of 10.
Yeah, 9 man. Solid.
You look nice too. I like you. I like you how your body look, you know.
Yeah, I lift up in metal. So.
Yeah, I'll give you 9.
9 too.
Yeah.
Yeah, me accept it.
To be
Yeah.
honest,
So.
yeah.
Alright. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Yo, you know, one kill quick on the TikTok, you know. The reason I'm putting balloons still is because she a barber. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. But too much man head for trim. Your ears wide open. Me know the man them out of the ears there. Even if you're not willing, the ears just open.
Yeah, I understand.
Somebody
I
go
get
bingo
that.
for
I get that.
the client wouldn't take chat, man get chop, you know. Half you know is a must, you know. Don't?
Yeah.
Yeah. You look nice, me nah lie. You look nice. Nah lie, but that get one 9-inch. Yeah, man. They get 1 9, man. Nah lie.
Oh, 9.
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright. What do you think about him?
He's nice, but I kind of like guys with more body, so. But he look really nice, so I'll give him like 7 for the looks and everything else expect from them. Yeah, I'll give him like 8, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, 8. I'll give you 8.
Yeah, me work with
you
him,
look
man. Me work with him, man.
Alright, yeah. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
That one, he said I like sharp, man. You know, so I know set up none of that stuff for me. So yeah, that's why I just pop my balloon, you know. Yeah, I don't know wrong with that.
Oh, from she say she not like sharp, man. I hate that.
Yeah, man, I like that more.
Just take out yourself.
Yeah, man, take out myself again. You hear that?
So how much should I rate her from 1 to 10 based on her appearance?
Well, I give him 1 4 still. Because I don't give him away enough to get. Yeah, just like that, you know. So,
You get her 4.
yeah, out of 10, you know.
Why she get a 4 though?
Come on, because that thing to get better. I can't give him 10 if he
I
not
agree.
get 10. I
That's
said,
cool. Like, that's really cool.
yeah, just
I
a
give you
4.
a 9.5.
Alright, that's alright. She
Yeah.
said she give me a 9, you know.
Yeah, I like how
We
you
give her a
look.
4, you
Also,
know.
like a slug.
9.5.
Like and yeah.
Yeah, man,
9.5.
we give him a 4, you know. And she give me a
She give you a 9.5. That good. That sound good.
Yeah, that sound good because when she talk, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, roots, you know.
Roots.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Alright. Oh, we just get a pop just now.
Yeah.
Alright, so you kept your balloon, but all of a sudden you pop it. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
6K TV, like, you know, I like how she speak well educated, like she like man who invest, man who own business. So You know, me and Meds say she not really go for the fast life. She not really look on the fast life, you know. But my problem now is when she goes to like, she not like skinny man her body and thing. Me skinny, you know. Me skinny bad. So that's now. I know say if me and her if we go there and start talk, she'll go find a man who have body. Because a man with body she want, she don't want the skinny man. But other from that, her teeth them white, I like how she present herself. It look like she have proper hygiene, you know, and yeah, but me just not like when she say the skinny man thing.
Yeah, you're that skinny though.
Yeah, me
Okay,
skinny.
but if you think you're skinny and you're not for me, then it's fine. You have body like I mean like maga.
You know, so I'm skinny. I'm skinny. Bad, me skinny bad.
I think you have okay body.
No man, I'm skinny man. I'm skinny bad. You
But
go
if
find
that's
a,
what you think, yeah.
you go find a man who got gym and them something they have abs. Me don't have no abs, I have 4 abs me have. So you go find a man with 8 abs and them thing there. You see me?
So him take off him shirt, it would be a match?
No. It
Same
wouldn't be a
thing.
match. Because him already think him too skinny for me. I never tell you say you're too skinny. I mean if you tell us you're too skinny, you don't know.
No, you say not like skinny man, I'm skinny.
Okay, if you think you're skinny, that's okay.
What do you think about him based on his appearance?
Oh, he looks nice. Like I give him an 8.5.
That not bad, that not
But
bad.
you think it's too shots.
Okay, but him show you off
Yeah,
based on how.
Let me tell us you too, Marga. I don't want.
But Marga, man, you know Marga. But for me da give her a 9.
9.
Yeah, me da give her a 9. Her body height, yeah, match. She like she about 5'6", 5, somewhere there, sir.
Yeah.
No, but height.
Yeah.
He's a height man.
I just know about the height when you come on to the ladies then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Come to this side. Alright, so the males will pop the balloon. Walk with grace for me now. I come to the side, yeah. Alright, your choice right now. Give me that toothpick here. Toothpick. Alright, so what I want you to do, pop one male based on him appearance
That I don't like.
that you don't like.
I'm so sorry.
Alright. Alright, well, I forgot to go to him. Alright.
Oh.
Alright, so just him appearance alone you don't like?
Yeah.
What you not like about him appearance?
I know I say I like guy with body, but I just think it's too big for me.
Him too big.
Yeah. And I don't really like the hair and
You not like him ear.
I probably it's the hotness on the hair, but something up here.
That a code, man. I say
Yeah, you
things
know, but you know, like
when
it's
I
not like
shalom them, you understand? Yeah.
yeah.
Show you off.
Yeah.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
7.
7. Alright, what do you think about she?
Can get a 360.
Okay, but before I give you the never mind. I'll do it.
Yeah, alright still, you know? Yeah, alright. I keep my balloon because I like your dimples, man. You say about your business and thing like that. You understand? You're a broke girl around there, so.
What should I rate her?
Yeah, it could have come out a little better to see me. Yeah, 6, you know?
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Come on, little better.
Yeah. Just a little bit. You understand?
Okay, alright. And you rate him?
7.
7.
Yeah.
Alright. Walk with grace, Maji. Alright, your choice right now. You're gonna ask each of them a question, and based on their answer, we're gonna see if it's a match or not, okay?
Okay.
Who first you wanna start with? Him? Let's go.
Alright, what do you do for a living?
What I do for a living?
Yeah.
Music.
Music?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you see yourself the next 5 years from now?
Well, I see myself nowhere next 5 years from now. I see myself somewhere next year. I get what I see her
That's
this
really
year.
good.
So
That's the energy.
Yeah.
Like that's really good.
yeah.
I
So
like that.
basically that. So.
Yeah?
You're gonna get there, yeah. He's definitely gonna get there.
No, it's gonna take too long.
No, I believe in you. Okay, so
We're gonna move on to him.
Okay,
Yeah, hold
alright.
on. Yeah. All right. What's the question for him?
Okay, you're the teacher. Where do you see yourself next 5 years from now?
Next 5 years, married.
Yeah.
Married, have children, a successful business. That's it.
That's it? That's it?
You're a teacher? You're a teacher? What do you do for a living?
Music.
Oh,
I have a degree in teaching, but music.
okay. I can ask one more question.
All right,
What
one.
are you doing in your spare time?
Spirit time, write song, write poem. It's basically writing. Play a game.
You have one more question?
Yeah.
Let's hear it.
Do you smoke
Occasionally.
weed? Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So, what I want you to do now, pop one male balloon. This one, answer them where you get that you're not feeling. Who's it gonna be? You have the pick, right? Who's it gonna be? It's a hard decision. That was a hard decision.
Yeah, I told him have goals. You know?
Huh?
Yeah. Kinda.
All right. So, what the reason why you pop his balloon?
I think it's because of how he look. Like, I think he bleached out himself and the tattoo, and that's just basically it. No, like the ones without much meaning, I guess.
Oh, so yeah,
No, I kind of like guys that look, you look like gangster, like Chopper. Like, I don't really like guys that look like Chopper and gangster. Yeah.
Music.
Yeah, I understand. That's the image for the music thing, so I understand.
Oh, so you don't like the image.
Yeah, that's just it. But you have goals, and it's not like him don't reach
You
really
have him
far.
head pan him body.
Yeah,
so,
like, he's
how much you
very
rate him from 1 to 10 though?
9.5 because of the way I'm thinking.
Me no rate it, you know.
No, hold on.
Like, because of the way I'm think, I would say 9.5.
9.5.
Yeah.
Him have him brain.
Yeah, like he's manifesting stuff, like,
What you think about she?
She a 10, bro.
10?
Yeah.
Are you match?
10. Yeah, because I'm been see her, you know, so I want a girl I'm been on face to face, so she a 10, bro.
Are you crush?
Yeah.
Something like that, isn't it? But she a 10 still. Yeah.
Oh, alright. Alright. You have to go walk with Gracie emoji. Alright. What we're gonna do now, you're gonna ask a question. We're gonna see if it's a match or not, okay? What's the question?
Have any children?
No, I don't have kids.
What's your perspective on the lifestyle of an artist?
Well, I mean, you got to do what you have to do if that's what you like. And the lifestyle of the artist, full of girls. But I can't judge everybody because everybody's different. But, I mean...
As in, can you manage the attention that it attracts? Be honest.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can you cook?
Yeah, I'm a chef.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, hear that? Alright, so we want to find out, the question them sound intense while ago, You see it? So we want to find out if this is a match, okay? Is this a match for you?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Alright. Is this a match for you?
Sorry. Like...
What?
I take too long to answer and understand. Yes,
long.
yeah, I guess, yeah, right.
Indecisive.
Yes.
Oh, shoot.
But
So
it's
the
good.
delay caused that?
Yeah, because she there so long, so where are you from?
Yeah.
What was the hold up?
Artisting.
Why? Why you consider? Like, why you think twice?
Like, I can't really tell if it's my match unless I have a conversation with him and get to know him more.
Yeah, but it would have been a
So,
match,
like-
then you have a conversation with him.
No, I have to. I don't know. I really don't know why I took so long to answer. I was just like
Yeah,
really thinking.
sapiosexual.
A what?
Sapiosexual.
I don't know what that is.
Isn't it attracted to intellect?
To who?
Intellect.
I don't think so.
So why you need to talk to me first?
The energy, like I can't. The energy have to be connecting a certain way before I can say, hey, it's a match, you know. Like we have to be vibrating on the same frequency, and I can't just tell by standing up right here. You see me say?
Understood.
Like, but you're really nice though. Like if I could get to talk to you.
Oh, say it would have been a match if wanna get more time.
Yeah.
Wanna,
And we like each other. Like we good. Like
Hey, Chim, will I get?
yes, I'm out with a gate plaza.
if this can be hey, if it is not a match, don't go out through the door and become a match. You have to match on the show, okay? Don't play my badness.
Okay,
right?
so let's get to know each other.
You want the next balloon then?
I'm going to line up tomorrow, man. No worries.
You go. Okay, he's gonna come to the shop.
You want the next balloon then?
I'm going to line up tomorrow.
Yeah, he's gonna come to the shop.
We want to know if this is a match or not.
I'll line up tomorrow.
He gonna come to the shop.
So you don't want a match?
Half here.
You gonna come to the shop.
When I come to the shop, man.
Yeah.
I can hold a line up.
Yeah.
All right. Don't ever go walk with Grace. Quickly, walk with Grace. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. You ready?
Ready.
You ready?
Ready.
All right, just be truthful. Wait until she reach out to us. Bring her in. Bring her in. Yeah? Bring her in. Wait until she reach out to us. Hello. Introduce. Jesus. She not even introduce herself.
No man, that good man.
Introduce herself.
Yeah, that hurt me. Hi, I'm Vanessa. I'm from Kingston, not Mandeville.
Oh, so your transport?
Something like that, yeah.
Oh, like migrate. All right, no problem. All right, what type of work you do?
I'm not working at the moment.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, no problem. What's your type though?
Someone who's cool,
Yeah.
nice, respectful.
True.
Yeah.
That's it. All right, so we got some pups. So who you want to start with first?
I start from the bottom and come back.
Down there?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is 6K TV. Why I really pop the balloon? Cause I see that you use like you bleach, right? Like you use cream, like
No.
you don't use bleaching cream.
No. My natural color.
That's your natural color?
Mm-hmm.
You sure about that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And next thing why I pop the balloon to you're too short. Like you're really, really short.
Oh, she short.
Short, bad.
Short, bad?
Bad, short, bad.
Now I'm 4'9", so yeah.
You have to in at the 5.
She have to in at the 5.
Yeah, you have to in at the 5, my friend.
Alright. No problem.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right, so how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
1 to 10. Can't turn on for me, friend. You're a 7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah, man. You're a 7.
Solid 7.
Solid 7. Nothing else funny, just 7.
All right. What do you think about him? What do you think about 6?
A 5. I'll give you a 5.
I give him a 5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why? Why 5?
Nothing really.
You just dash a 5 on him?
Yeah.
No.
I'm alright, but me just give him a 5.
Okay, all right. So what you like about him? Why you give him a 5 or dislike?
Well, the mirror look nice. That's all.
That's all?
Mhm.
All right, cool.
All
right. Go down to the side. All right, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
1Q1876, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
And me just never like wear football catch off or slippers like a chopper. You see me? Just me a chopper vibes. You see, Pre? Yeah. But she cool though, she nice, she cute. She like a shorty and you know what I mean? But like a chopper vibes and me can't work with it. You see me?
Oh, all right. So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
She put herself together still, you know, but I give her a 3 still, cause you know she a come out for this, she should have just hot up it thing and know say all out her done, cause you don't see swag. You understand? So
So 3 out of 10?
Yeah, I give her a 3 still. But she nice though. In real life. Yeah.
What do you think about him?
Red is not my favorite color. Somebody just give me 3 same way.
Type shit.
3.
Type
Yeah,
shit.
8 red?
I like red.
Oh yeah, 8 red.
Mm-hmm.
That just the color we wear, you know, like.
And skin.
Him skin?
Yeah.
I'm team skin.
Like him did a bleach.
You bleach?
No, my boss. No, sir.
You know bleach. Alright, we'll move down to that. You can move?
Yeah, we can. Sorry.
Alright. Alright. Oh, you're not pop. Alright, come down to that side then. Alright, my G. Wipe out the balloon, your name?
Oh, you understand, you know, so I like thick girl, though, because I ride deep. You see what I deal with?
You like what?
Thick girl, I like girl with thick, because I ride deep. I don't know about the next one still, you know?
You ride deep?
Yeah, man, I know hard feelings when me say that, you know, because I know my feelings. I know what I deal with. You see what I say? Yeah, but she look nice otherwise still, because she bend down on people, you know? Yeah, we don't have no problem over that still.
She look nice because she bend down on people?
Yeah, man, the female, man. Yeah, she nice, you know? Honest.
Alright, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I'm going to give him a 4 still, you know, because she forward, you know?
She found.
Yeah, she make it possible, she forward.
Oh, she come out, that's how you get her 4?
Yeah, man, because she could have not come, you know?
Alright, what do you think about him? How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
4.
You say 4, nothing wrong with that. 4 and 4.
4 and 4, that's our
8.
Alright, that good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, no problem.
Big up the creative cooking, Jamaica, well done. Big up Natipal, yeah. Big up Sister Mad, yeah. Big up Karen, yeah. And big up Java, yeah. Shata, you know? Yeah, man. And big up myself, yes, I. Big up the channel too. Yes, Dan. And big up the man, them, hear that? And the female, them. Yeah, right out the road, everything there. Secret, clear.
Your name, why pop the balloon?
Active Mikila, you know, 1 kill quick on the TikTok, though. You know what? I don't really have no problem with her, but I don't know, she just kind of look too bad in her way. I don't know if I chain on her neck, because that chain close represent something. I'm not sure, but she kind of look too bad. But she alright. She alright. With that gear one 7. Yeah, she not too bad. But we just can't take one then too bad. You understand?
She look bad?
Yeah, she look bad. Nah, elaborate on him, man. She just look too bad, isn't it? Yeah, man, she look too bad.
So much you rate her from 1 to 10?
That gear one 7, man.
7. What do you think about him?
6.
I'm not here.
6.
Man, do me better than that, man.
6, my G.
Alright.
I'm not higher than that.
We not fight.
Alright.
Alright, normal.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, one fit factor on TikTok. And basically, I only 2 problems I have. She too slim for me and she too short for me. And me done short already, so I don't really want nobody to lower than me than that. So, but she look nice overall. But I give her a solid 7 still. Yeah, a solid 7.
Alright, what do you think about him?
Same.
7?
Mm-hmm.
No, why you give me a 7? You have to tell me now why.
Well put together. They mean I'm marina stills, but
Yeah.
alright.
Well, that's someone weird still. Time hot, so I know.
Yeah.
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 Alright.
How much again? 6?
7.
7.
Yeah.
Alright, no problem. Alright. Alright, my G, your name, why you pop the balloon?
You don't know $1 bill, man. Dollar bill official panogram same way. Reason why I pop the balloon, she look like somebody when I know, you know.
Can you see me this morning, dude?
No, it look like somebody when me did actually deal with, and she have a toxic energy.
She have a toxic energy?
Yeah.
Oh, you feel it from yourself?
Yeah, I feel it. Say it's a bad girl. Like, you know, she a give a bad girl energy and she just too short. That's
it.
Yeah. That's
Alright, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give her a 8 because she remind me of that person that she did.
Oh, yeah, I give her 8. Oh, yeah, I give her a 8 from 1 to 10?
Yeah, I give her 8 from 1 to 10. But despite her looks and things based off of like a relationship where me did have with a person who look like she did cool, isn't it?
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
What do you think about him?
6.
6?
Yeah.
Solid 6?
Solid 6.
Why you give him a 6?
Him light.
Him light?
Yeah, him skin tone light.
Or you not like brown youth? Alright, alright. No, that's it?
Yeah, yeah, my G.
Your name, why you pop the balloon?
You know, say 1'6", and the reason I put the balloon is she too short and she slim. You see me? Might mind them extra.
Short and she slim.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you're short.
Could you tell me say there was a height reference for this show?
No, I know because you're short. That's you think true you're short, that's why everybody say you're short.
Everybody say me short.
Oh shoot. But short man short.
Man.
Huh? Yeah, no. Alright, how much you rate her?
1 year and 4.
4?
Yeah, cause I really like tattoo, you see me? And she have a tattoo and thing. Her toenail them kinda look good, yes, but yeah. And 4 still.
The tattoo turn it off.
Yeah.
Tattoo.
In your back.
What you want to know? If you did want to know, you would have keep a balloon.
What you think about him?
3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Why you not like about him?
No find out where you like.
Why you not like about him?
Just not like him overall.
Alright.
Yeah.
How much you rate him? 3?
3.
Alright. Alright, so we get a pop, we go down to the side there.
Mm-hmm.
Breathe. Your name, why you pop balloon?
Swiss.
Oh, are you?
Initially, maybe I try keep the balloon for try learn more about her, but she said she not like brown youth or light niggas.
Yeah.
And
You want to put aside him and you tell me the difference?
no, you see, I like dark skin. Did
I say I like dark skin?
No, she
Did I
said
say that?
No,
I
but
just
me
simply
I
said I
say-
didn't like light skin.
light skin.
But to me, I say if you not like light.
Light skin, you light.
Yeah, so if you not like light, you probably like dark, isn't it? So.
Oh, sorry.
But
sorry
you,
about
I like
that.
how you look still your nails and your tattoo.
Thank you.
Slim as my love still, so. Yes, man.
How much you rate her?
7.5. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
She nice.
7.5. What do you think
I
about
am
him?
nice. Yeah, 8.
8?
Yeah.
What a 10?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, then about what you like about him?
Him smile.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, come down
Yeah.
to this side. Alright, so the male them pop them balloon. Walk with grace for me now. Alright, so
Yeah.
today you never get a match.
Mhm.
So never gonna make you walk with grace, yeah?
Alright.
Big up, yeah?
Alright.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, I'll know no rate the lineup, you know. Wanna think about my lineup? Come in, man. Mandeville G them. Wanna roll out? Yeah. Come in, man. Rate the lineup from 1 to 10 people. We are bringing the next female, my G. You know ready? Yeah. Yeah. Yo, them. Yeah. Good. Mandeville energy is high. You know. Send in the next female for me now. Wait and. Jaja. Wait until she reaches us, please.
Me not ready. Me did ready, but me not ready now. Me not ready.
At least make she talk. No, you can't have to introduce herself, yeah?
Alright, so my name is Weed Baby Brina. Yeah, that's it right now.
Alright, so what type of work you do?
I'm an entrepreneur for my dad. I manage a couple of businesses and I'm just now opening my own business.
Whoa, congratulations.
Thanks.
Alright. What type of money you like though?
Nobody else, so. Yeah, you can pop yours. Good. That's so good.
Okay. Alright, your choice. Who you want to start with?
Anybody you would choose, because I
Alright.
really don't care.
I'm going to start with that side here.
Sure.
Alright. Come to the side. Come over more. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Don't know, say a dollar bill. Reason why I pop the balloon is because she very slim You see?
Just say maga. Just say maga and done. Shmaga.
No, you're not maga, like you're slim.
Shmaga.
Me no want, you get what I say? Like you're slim. You have icky on your neck.
Okay, and?
And you're in a relationship.
No, I'm not.
You are. So how you reach this up?
So if you're in a relationship, want to keep on my neck? Be honest.
Icky up on your neck?
Wait, so
No, me ask you a question.
you don't have to
Answer
be
the
in a one.
question. Do I have to
Do
be in
you-
a is a yes or no question?
Yes, you have to.
No, I don't have to be.
You don't have to be a personal man, but it's a relationship.
No,
same
it's
way.
not.
It is.
No,
A
it's
side man is
not.
another
And
relationship.
why you feel like it's a man?
Even if it's a woman, it's still
It's not a
another
relationship. That's the thing.
Alright, so basically I
That's
just
your
got it
opinion.
like she's slim and
Icky up on her neck. Eye sharp.
yeah, my eye sharp. Cause me view everything, bro. Me look for all angles, you know.
Never see that.
I try cover it up, but
Me not cover
me
it
don't
up.
like if fan blow it so it just little bit shift. So me see it.
Okay.
But otherwise it's nice though.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Would I give her like I give her a 7.
Okay.
What do you think about film appearance?
I'm alright.
From 1 to 10 though.
Oh, 1.
Yeah, you can be yourself.
You look like a tampon.
Me look like her?
Tampon. I used a tampon. That's how you dress. That's how you look to me.
Me look like a tampon.
When it's used.
How trim in a red.
Bro, me look like a
The whole world
tampon.
is
Like
skin.
all the everything you have to
His
think about a
skin.
tampon. Yo, roll.
Yes, your skin. You look like a
Real mates,
tampon.
bro.
Sorry, not weird.
Yeah, it's weird, but it's just like.
Yeah, but me accept the one still. Once me look like a tampon, me I go accept that one. Believe.
Alright, good on the line. Alright, mama, come. Alright. Your name or you pop the balloon?
1-6. Reason put the balloon she too. slim for
Maga.
me.
You just say maga and
Ah,
done
you're
now?
maga, you're
Cool.
fuck. Yeah.
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 Well, like you too slim?
Yeah, look for me. Just me, you see like how we pop the balloon? So me pop her dog.
Oh, shit, like, you feel like you have a damage her.
Weird, damage her.
You're feeble?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Fragile.
fragile.
Very fragile.
Oh yeah, and she said she her type no there so.
Right.
So much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Me I gotta say no. 1.
1?
1.
Why 1?
Okay. Thank you.
Alright. Me say bros, you see me and how me here she deal with man to my left to say man look like a tampon. That's very disrespectful, you see me?
Okay. Was I talking to you though?
No,
Oh,
you
so why you
wasn't
take up a
talking-
next man
Ah,
thing
so
for your head? Why you take up a next man business for your
I
head?
don't take
Does
up
that
no-
make any sense?
I don't take up no
So
business
why you
for my
business
head.
about him?
No, you
Care about
disrespectful.
yourself. Was I disrespecting you?
No matter.
Was I disrespecting you?
It no matter.
It's a yes or no. Was I disrespecting you?
It no matter.
Okay. Can't take those people.
Alright, so how much should I rate him based on him
Me?
appearance?
Negative.
Thank
Negative
you.
10.
What's him get 10?
Negative 10.
Then me can't change my rating. Keep your one then.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay with my one.
Go ahead.
Cause I get a negative 10, I want to switch now, right?
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Your name or you pop the balloon?
Yeah, one fit factor. Well, respectfully, she too slim for me still. I mean, she does straight, like, and she seem like she
like
don't really
plywood.
eat much. And me a man I eat a lot, and any woman me there with have to eat food too. And you get me, I say. So basically, just that still, but I figure her like a 5 still.
Okay.
You get me, I say. She
Thank
does
you.
too slim for me still.
Okay.
Straight.
I'm gonna ask you.
No hips, no bottom, no nothing.
No, not
Just
true. Straight plyboard.
yeah, like so. It just now got me.
So let me ask you a question. Why you feel like you're supposed to say that I don't eat or something like that? I come from a very small bone. I can show you my mom, my grandma, everybody. We're all small.
Well, if I say go, I say go still in, but yeah, basically yeah.
Your rating, how much out of 10?
6.
6.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Waiting about him based on him appearance.
In my muscles, you can get a 4.
4 because him have a muscle?
I'm full of muscles.
So what's wrong with muscles?
No, she like your muscle.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
One kill quick, you know, on the TikTok. Yo, I don't know why I'm popping balloon, I'm just afraid of her.
You afraid of her?
I don't know why I'm just afraid of her.
So accidentally pop the balloon?
No, it wasn't an accident. If I just scared.
Oh no, like meaning like the pit the side of the balloon and you just afraid.
Yeah, something like that.
You accidentally pop.
Not like she frightened me, you know. Not like that, but just afraid of her. I don't know. Some
Why
time
are you
just
scared
afraid.
of me? Do I
I
have
don't
horns
know.
in my head?
No. Wait, movie here? No, I don't see no hand. But something, no. I have no reason, to be honest. But I'm just afraid of her.
You was afraid of her. Alright, so how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 1 6 still. I give her 1 6.
Thanks.
I give her 1 6, yes.
Thanks.
Yeah, say that like. Yeah, tell her
Yeah, keep
say.
that short.
Afraid of her. I'm afraid of her.
Why you say it so?
I supposed to be the one get one. But become afraid of her.
You can say one if I want. Him say one.
No, me I give her 6.
No, but how you say it is like you
It's
tell her
not-
say like it's a good six.
Yeah.
You tell her say please calm down a 6.
See.
Yeah.
If I saw, you get a 6.
Okay, thank you.
Wait, based on him, what you think?
I'll get a 3.
Build up a cheese, man. A cheese, man.
Alright.
You're good.
Govern, man.
Alright, sorry. I got on good. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, man, that's what I say already. I tell you, I like tickers, you know. Yeah, so I see that you know that I know my thing. You see what I say? But you know, I'm going to give myself still, you know. Because she put herself together, you know. Yeah.
Thanks.
7. Alright, what you think about Shorty?
0.
Yeah, man, fair, you know, give her a 7.
It's fair.
You give me a 0 to 10? You get a 0, she give you a 0, yeah?
I say, you go, yeah. You give her a 7, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Swiss, honestly, I love slimmers, but
Me maga, me not slimmers.
you're slender.
Maga.
But not, me no want to call them maga, you know,
But
so
I'm saying it. So let's
you-
agree with it and
you
done.
can say, me not have to say.
Okay.
Very slender. The hair upon the leg,
Yeah,
I
I'm
me don't want
hairy.
to discriminate, but don't tell us I'm a footman, so. Not right.
Oh, so she have ear on her leg?
Yeah. Additionally, the icky. You know, see how you just randomly I get icky, so if you're not in a relationship, that kind of turned me off because how
You want me to explain the icky?
Sure.
Okay, so I like girls like how I like men. So it wasn't any penetration or anything. It was just having fun with a girl.
Fun?
Yeah. Fun.
Yeah, that not good if me. Buy. I'm very selfish, so I can't. If you buy, I can't go take it serious. Yes, also the fit. You can slim and still come out. But I think that would be the best fit to wear as a slimmers.
Okay.
Is me.
Okay.
But I just look a bit better if you just, you know.
Okay.
But you're good still, you.
Much you give?
Face still, but I give you a 4 still.
Thank
4
you.
out of 10?
Yeah, man.
Thanks.
Much you rate him from 1 to 10?
You can get a 5.
5?
Mm-hmm.
That not
I like
sound.
him fit.
You like him fit?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. Big up.
Yeah? Alright. Your name? Why pop the balloon?
1 Cubans and 3 things. May I keep my balloon because, you know, like a little slim thing how we are going, but you know, she says she not like, first thing she says she not like nobody in her lineup, so that are instant, you know. Second thing, your shoes too dirty, man. Bomba,
Okay.
Jano.
Okay.
The shoes could have clean, you know.
Okay. You want to
Bomba
come
and
and
the
clean
big
it?
shoe, his shoes,
You
you know.
want to come and clean it?
No, I'm not a helper.
Then stop
Sorry.
complaining about my shoes.
Sorry. But you know, next thing you know, your attitude is stink like a rotten egg.
Very proud of it.
You know when you crack one rotten egg and it stink.
Me that. Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Shalom door. Shalom.
You should even take off the hat there for your head.
Yes, man.
Come now, rate me move on now.
Much you rate her from 1 to 10?
You're nothing, man. Not even 0. Negative. Yeah.
Can move on.
Ram.
What do you think about him though?
I don't know about him. Come
Yeah.
on, whole pad or tampon and go come
Yeah,
talk to
yeah,
me.
yeah,
So
yeah.
can we move on?
So anything in a red at that?
At 2
No,
bills to this,
but-
you know. For sure, I be 2 bills.
2 bills for what?
That was something. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Nah,
Cool.
man.
Ladies,
Yeah.
comment down in the comment section how much
2
from my
bills.
fit.
And then
We can move on.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
TV. You don't show I pop the balloon, you know. See that you use skin cream on your body. You're a bleacher,
No,
right?
I'm not.
Your knuckles is black. That's one.
Hmm.
I used to do it. But you know, yes, your skin color, me not like woman you bleach.
Okay.
And worse, if you do it, now make it look obvious, like make your knuckle them look so black and so forth.
Okay.
And next thing too, me a brother man tell about the ick here for your neck.
Mm-hmm.
That a one.
Mm-hmm.
When you're down there, so before you approach the youth, I see like your man or your woman did a call up on the phone and you ping it off like you don't want to look obvious. I see when the light did a blink,
You want
man.
to see who's calling me?
No, I don't want to see. I don't want to see.
The number is not even saved in the phone.
I don't want to see, but that's another one, you know. And you look like you're in the 4 bracket, you're in the 5. So you look short, like you're very short.
I'm 5'2".
You're 5'2". Okay.
Shoes make me look like a higher.
Oh. So you're very short.
She too short?
Too short and she too slim.
Maga.
You would have referred it as maga,
Yeah.
but I would have put her in a slim bracket.
Alright.
You know? Yeah, very, 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 very slim.
Maga.
Yeah,
Stick puppet. Which other one? Continue.
She said shit.
Yeah, she's slim. So that's a really my thing, you know. The bleaching, the icky. I don't think right here there's a place for you, you know.
Right.
Because you come right here, so with the icky on your neck, like, that's a big turn off for me, girl.
Okay.
Big turn off. The icky on your neck.
Mm-hmm.
So, get a hold of yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, just get a hold of yourself.
Okay.
That's it. Just get
That's
a hold of
it?
yourself. But I would have graded you, give you a 3.
Okay.
Yeah, because I see that you're very disrespectful.
3?
Yes, 3.
How am I disrespectful?
Yes.
Disrespect
If
you?
me and you in one relationship right now, that's
Why? Hold on. Let me ask you a question. Why your voice raising?
Pardon me?
We're talking so calmly. Why are your voice going higher?
No, why my voice is going higher because I was born in Kingston, town people voice normally lower at times.
Okay, you're from Manchester.
Yes, I'm from Manchester, but I'm raised in Kingston, Jubilee Hospital. So that's the
Okay.
thing. Why I said that you're disrespectful because the person that you're in an entangled relationship with or whatsoever, you shouldn't have be here. So same self, me and the day the same thing, you would have come right here, so come look for
So let
somebody
me
else.
ask you a question now. Since you're making assumptions and you don't know, right? So if you and I were in an entanglement, right? Why would I have the need to take up myself and come to a pop the balloon session or whatever?
I don't know.
If you are doing the right thing,
I don't-
if you're being a man, if you're acting like a man, why would I have to be here?
So the person that give her that something
You
that
see, if
acting
you're
like a
listening-
man,
You see, if you were listening, it wasn't a male who put it there.
the woman would get not act like a woman.
No.
So who give it? A mosquito give it? That's showing that you're greedy though. Because you have somebody and you come at the pop the balloon for somebody
don't
else.
have anybody
That show that you're
here.
greedy. A mosquito
If I
bite
have
you?
somebody in the comment section, please. I don't have nobody. I promise you that I don't have nobody.
She say man a wicked but to man a Delilah.
I hate you.
Oh.
How much you that rating from 1 to
You give
10?
me 3, I'll give you a 5. Because
Thank
I'm
you
just
so much.
disgusting.
Thank you so
5.
much.
Dog.
You know, I'm
But,
cool with it. I'm cool with it.
Alright, come to this side. Alright, so. Whoa.
Yeah, everybody pop.
Huh?
Everybody pop. So I mean to walk with Grace now.
Awkward grace for me now.
Okay. Peace.
Whoa. Somebody just no likes. Alright.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
Watch on man, make sure to leave a like and comment below. Yo, how much likes we need on a video?
1 million likes.
Million likes? Mandeville, would I get with 1 million likes? On a bad? 1 million likes? Yo, leave a like. Make sure to subscribe below. 200,000 subscribers next. Bring in the next female for me now. Go down to the side. Come on, she not even.
Hi, good
Come to
evening.
the side.
I'm Marie.
Ree, alright. Alright, Ree, what type of person are you? Like,
Well, a down to earth person.
what's your type though?
Uh, a hardworking person who really know what they want in life. Very serious too. No game thing.
Alright, that's awesome. What's your age?
40.
Alright, that's good. Huh?
40.
Alright, so if what you get a match right now, what's a first date? What's the ideal first date though?
Go for a dinner.
Dinner.
Yeah.
That's it.
And have a good chat.
Talk.
Get to know each other.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Alright then. So we got some pops. So we're gonna find out why they pop the balloon, okay?
No problem.
Alright. Where do you want us to start?
Anybody.
Anyway, alright, no problem. Let's go there. Come here. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
1-6. To be honest, you're nice and everything, but you give me a mommy vibes. Yeah, for real. And your age, just but basically that, yeah, give me a mommy kind of vibes.
Like yeah, grown up vibes.
Yeah, mom.
What you growing up?
Mommy.
She's probably a mom.
Mommy.
Of course, I'm a mom.
Alright, so how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
6, to be honest.
6.
Cause she, alright.
What do you think about him?
Yeah. Give him a 6 too.
You must 6?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, that's alright, man.
Alright, we'll go down the line. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
One fit factor. Well, I just two things, you know. She kind of too big for me in body, and she too old for me same way. So that's basically just that. To make her, she older than my mother, so
Wow.
yeah. So basically that, but me da give her a 6 still, a solid 6.
Solid 6.
Yeah, respectful. Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about him based on him appearance?
Well, I'll give him a 4 because the tight pants thing is not my thing.
When pants too tight?
Yeah.
You not like that?
No, not too much a tight thing.
Yeah, me know, and a problem with my jeans still. But
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Alright, we'll go down the line. Yeah. Oh, not there. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
1Q bands, you can follow me on TikTok. So she nice. She nice. Big woman, she nice. She clean, but we just 2 hour thick, you know. My bed now I can fit it 2 hour. So I just that. She nice.
2 on the tick?
Yeah. So may I say, but she nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much you rate her from 1 to 10?
So she clean. But I give her 8. She clean. She clean. Yeah.
8, what you like about her?
Bro, she nice. She want good jewelry and, you know, her gold and my pop and, you know, she come out. She alright. Her hair well put together and thing. Yeah, she nice. Believe. She nice.
Really? Alright. What do you think about him based on him appearance?
Well, him look alright, and I like the red. Red is my favorite color. But that hot? No.
That is it. Shalom.
Oh, you not like him hot?
No.
Show off the
I'll
red.
give you a 7.
Thank you.
7.
Thank you. Yes.
Alright. Go down to this side.
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
6K, faith and strong mind. Well, reason being, she said that she is 40, could have been my mother. And I'm not going to be disrespectful and date a lady that could be my mother. That's how I look at it, you know. Next thing too, if we are make love together, I don't think we can manage you. I'll be real with you.
Alright.
I don't think I could manage you because you're so thick and I'm so skinny. No, I don't think I could manage you.
Okay.
But otherwise, you know, you said that you're 40 for your age. You look nice. You look young. Me couldn't look pan you and know say you're 40. That's why I have to ask if you say it back again. You know, you see it say you was not a lady like you're stressed. You see me?
Put yourself together.
Yeah, you put yourself together as a lady that were there in her age. You know? But I'm not gonna be disrespectful. Me couldn't date you because you're in your age and you could have been my mother.
Cool.
But otherwise, Keep it up. I see the blessing and shine for you. You look nice for your age. You look good. You stay good. You're just too thick for me.
Okay.
That is it. And you too all.
Okay.
That is it. Much love.
Yeah, ratings. What do you think about him?
Well, yes, he's pretty young because I have sons that maybe probably his age.
Same thing.
So,
Tell you.
you know, yeah, you look good and all of that. You're neat, you're cute, and you know, you're 9.
For me, you're 40 and you look young and fresh. Me give you 10.
Okay, thank
Me
you.
not lie. For you, we say you're 40 and look so good, me give you 10. And I like your smile too.
Thank you.
Much love.
All right, come to this side. All right. So what we're gonna do now? Every male that pop their balloon, walk with grace for me now. You just You just pop the balloon. My word. All right, my G. All of a sudden you pop the balloon. Why? Your name?
One kill quick on the TikTok, isn't it? But me don't know. She just look too decent in a way. Like she just have a nice husband her age. You know what I mean? Yeah, I just that. Yeah.
Oh, so you just execute. You just exalt yourself.
If me and a dog, me feel like I just dog for her. You know what I mean? Me feel like somebody better out there with us. I respect her and do that right there. She look nice, everything up. We agree everything with 6K says still, is it? Yeah, man, she take care of herself and man,
fair enough.
I'm gonna give her a 9 still.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, man, her 9 point. I give her 9.5.
Alright, cool.
Nah, lie.
What do you think about him, based on my appearance?
My name clean, him look nice. Yeah, like a hairstyle.
Ah.
Yeah. Papa 8 pa, you know.
Do it, no?
Papa 8.
Height, man.
Alright, walk with grace for my G. Alright, so go down to the side of my G. Alright, so you have 3 male right now. What I'm gonna make you do, you're gonna ask each of them a question, and based on the question and the answer you get, we're gonna see if it's a match or not, okay?
Okay.
Alright, who first?
Okay, I'll ask him first.
Alright.
Okay, what is your job status?
What is my job?
What do you do for a living?
I do farming and music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright. That's a shorty question.
Hi,
Hi.
where do you live?
Oh, I live in Woodland housing scheme.
Okay, what do you do for a living as well?
Oh, I cook and I do landscaping.
Okay, cool.
Alright.
Alright. What's his question?
Hi. Do you have kids?
Hopefully.
Oh, so you don't? Okay, alright, cool.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it? Alright. Alright, so based on the answer that you got and the appearance, I'm gonna let you pop one. What a pin? Give me a pin. No more. Give me your. I'm gonna make you pop 1 male balloon.
Okay.
Shorty, come here, Fiat. We have to ask you first. Alright. Ask you. Alright, so why you pop his balloon?
Well, he's too short.
Too short?
Yes, that is why I pop his balloon. He's
That's
very
the
short.
only reason?
That's the only reason.
So if he did have a height, it would have been a match?
Yeah, it's a hard-working
I
man.
really the height still, you know, the length, him now see my height, you know, so everything alright.
Yeah.
Oh, she not see her height.
Yeah, but you know, might be into the shortness, you know. But
You understand that?
yeah, man, everything alright. You know, I'm short up here, but me tall along there, you know.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Okay,
alright.
well, I just basically talking about your height.
Okay,
You know how
alright.
tall it is?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give him my 8, you know.
You give her 8 out of 10.
Yeah, man, I'll give him my 8, you know.
So you could have managed her?
Yeah, man, then me not look a picky, man. You see, big old man, me looking at me a 48 year old, you hear that?
So it would have really be a match.
Yeah, man. I say it was still, you know.
Okay.
Alright. Walk with grace for me now. Alright. Watch here now. You're gonna ask her a question. We're gonna see if this is a match or what. Yeah? Alright, what's the question for her?
You ever date a young guy before?
Once in my life.
Once?
Yeah.
How was it?
30.
Huh?
30. Age 30.
No, I said, how was it? How
How
was
was it?
dating a young guy?
Well, it didn't last for long because I think he was like childish too much for me. As I say, I like.
I'm hearing a little Barbados accent.
Trinidad.
Trinidad.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, it just didn't work out because I was a person who's a very hardworking person.
Mhm.
And if I want good for myself, I want good for you. And I find like he was a little laid back for me, So,
like, where I try to give him a business or something. And him
right, because I'm a business mind person.
Good. That more here because we need a business. Understand?
Yeah.
And this is my opportunity.
All right. We'll go down the line. What's your question to her?
You have any problem with taking care of your man?
No, not at all. I spoil men.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, lovely.
Mhm.
How many children you have? How many children you have?
6.
Boy.
All right, why you pop the balloon?
6. Why? You look good if you have 6 picking, trust me. But 6 now go work at all.
Yeah, I understand.
Probably if I did like 2 or 3.
Yeah, because you ain't get any end.
Come again?
You don't have any.
No, sir.
All right, I understand. That's cool.
You're still capable if you have right now?
Yes, of course.
Give me a balloon.
You want a balloon?
It's 6 are too much for me.
Yeah, I understand.
How much did I rate her?
Yeah, man, because she look good.
Mhm.
Love slimmer, but me like your approach, me like how you
Yes.
angle yourself and you speak, you know?
Yeah. Okay, cool.
What do you think about him appearance?
Well, he look nice, man. I like him swag. Clean.
So much did I rate him?
But I give him a 10. Boy, look good.
Yeah?
Nice.
All right. Walk with grace, Muji. All right, so down to 1 right now. Is there any question before I ask the final question?
Yeah, no, ask a couple questions. So, like, how long may I have to be with you for me get a business?
Well, we have to get to know each other, right? To see the kind of mindset you have.
Business mindset?
Yes. Well, remember, I don't know you.
Oh.
So we have to get to know each other and to see where we're taking it from and to see how serious it is, right?
How old is your last kid?
9.
9?
Mhm.
That's good.
Mhm.
That's good, man.
That's good? Nice for you?
Yeah, that's good.
All right, is there any question for you? For him?
No question.
Final question.
Mhm.
Is this a match?
I think so.
Is a match for you?
Yeah.
Is a match for you? Is a match? Yeah. We have a match? We have a match? Yeah! We can't hug? We can't hug? We can't get a hug? Whoa! Simple. When I know we got to work, if this is our first match, right? On behalf of this shoes factory again, instead of forget the female,
you.
shoes.
Thank you.
That's for you. Big up the shoes factory.
The shoes factory. Okay.
Yeah, big
I would
up
like
Dewey.
to say thanks to the shoes factory for giving a female a shoes.
All right. So we have a match. So what I'm gonna do? Hold on and kiss me, baby. Watching the man. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe below. Mandeville, it was fun, awesome. I love the energy. I not lie, I love it. You see it? New York here next. Next week we have Ochi. So link up for that. Live boss, big up for the visual. Big up the big bag sponsor, Motor Source. Everybody who followed me, I appreciate you know. Mandeville, tell me if you know let down or no feel down by the lineup, the female them who come out. Tell me if the girl them did pretty or not. I really want to know. Yeah? Them say Mandeville have the prettiest girl in Jamaica. So tell me if I pick every pretty girl and put them in a lineup, okay? I want you to be honest to me, okay? Yeah. God night. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. We out.
Got this banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it.
GCT forever. And ever, we say goodbye.
Girl, them say my team of a boss. Girl, them say my team of a boss. Girl, them say my team of a boss. Road to 200k. Get me a say like, comment, subscribe.
It's a banger! Who me? Yo, come in, I'ma get some vibes, man. It's a banger!
Got this banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it, crunch it.
GCT forever! And ever, we say goodbye.
Girl, them say my team of a boss. Girl, them say my team of a boss. Eh. Girl, them say my team of a boss. Road to 200k. Get me a say, like, comment, subscribe.